Welcome back, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Moon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space, sending you love, sending you good energy. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your circumstance, feeling frustrated with people, feeling lonely, like it's difficult to make a true friend, well, you're in luck because you got a true friend right here. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to love. Love for our path, love for the challenges we face, a love for who we are, beyond all the superficial outer layer of personality, and going deeper into our essence. That's the intention today. To go underneath the desires, the thoughts, go deeper inside the heart space, feel some genuine love, some peace. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a posture where you can be aware, putting distractions to the side, putting the past to the side, putting the future to the side, coming into this present moment. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper inside, becoming aware of your awareness itself. Becoming conscious. Dropping your shoulders away from the ears, relaxing your belly, bringing a smile, supporting your face to relax by bringing a subtle smile. I know it's not always easy to smile, that's okay. Bringing a smile to your heart. I want you to visualize that your heart is smiling, that your belly is smiling, and that smile is spreading throughout your body, melting away negativity, anger, tension. Listening with your full body, breathing with your full body, not just the chest, but every cell in your body, breathing, alive. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of past. And breathing in love for yourself. Exhale, letting go of the inner critic. Saying goodbye to criticism. Breathing in compassion. Exhale, understanding. Breathing in trust. Exhaling, feeling more relaxed. Breathing in slowly and softly. And exhale. Dropping your shoulders. Opening your heart. Relaxing your hands and feet. Aware of your posture, becoming even more present in this moment, delighting in this moment. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing in. Exhale, letting go of tension. Breathing in faith in yourself. And exhaling faith in others. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, letting go. Witnessing and welcoming your thoughts, your emotion, and any sensations. Very gently, very lovingly, observing yourself. And if the mind has been wanting to think, I want you to let your mind be totally free to think. Taking a deep breath in, holding your breath at the top, and exhale, letting go. returning home to the sound of the bell. Returning back to love with the sound of the bell. Becoming aware of the silence. Taking a deep breath in. And exhaling. Way to stay with it, my friend. Do you know that I'm very happy that you would join me today? So kind to you. Wishing you unexpected blessings today, good fortune. Wishing you laughter, playfulness. Wishing that you have a fun and beautiful day. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. The color for today is gold. The number is 1. And the animal is a butterfly. A blue butterfly. Returning back home to yourself, to your consciousness, to your love that is always here. Remembering that you carry an abundance of love inside at all times, even if it's difficult to see it. It's just like when the clouds come and cover the sun, but the sun is still there. That's how our love is. That's how our awareness can be compared to. Becoming aware, becoming present, becoming more loving with yourself today. Taking one more deep breath for now. Hold. And exhale. Thank you for joining me, my dear friend. Sending you a big hug across time and space. Wishing you an abundance of joyfulness, of peace, of love, of harmony. Remember that in order to have a beautiful life, it's important to have harmonious relationships with the people that we are communing with. Remember this word today, harmony. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.